Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you transfer Google Photos to another account? And yes, you can do this. You need to open Google Photos application, then select photo what you want to share with another account, let's say this one. Click share, and right here you need to scroll down and click send in photos. But if you have iOS, you need to also select some files, then share, and you need to scroll down, and right here you have send in Google Photos. Okay, so let's do this. Send photos. Now you need to select contact what you want to share, or you can write at the top, you can write the name, phone number or email. So let's write this email and then click send. Send, and we just did it. So on your second device you can click at your profile icon, then go to the photo settings, then sharing, manage and conversations. And right here we have this photo, so you can save it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.